All right, let's dive in. We're going to talk about a huge fundamental shift in how we find things online. You can forget everything you know about search engines because the new race is all about becoming the direct recommendation from an AI. So, what does that even mean? Okay, picture this. You're planning a holiday, right? You turn to your AI assistant and ask a simple, direct question, just like this one. You're not looking for a bunch of links to sort through. You just want a clear, confident answer to help you make a decision. But instead, you get this, a really polite, kind of vague, and completely useless response. I mean, it doesn't name a single business. If you're a theme park trying to get customers, an answer like this is a total dead end. And that dead end, well, it points to a massive new challenge for businesses. The AI has basically become a gatekeeper, and figuring out how to get past it is the new name of the game. I mean, think about it. More and more, our first stop for answers isn't a search bar, it's a chat window. And if an AI doesn't mention your business when a potential customer asks about it, it's like you don't even exist in that moment. You've become invisible. So the million-dollar question for any business out there is this. How do you cut through all that generic noise and become the one single authoritative answer that the AI gives? How do you become its first choice? Well, to solve this, businesses need a brand new strategy. This isn't about playing the old search engine games anymore. It's about winning an entirely new kind of race. And that new strategy has a name, Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO for short. It's a practice with one super clear goal, making sure that when a customer asks a question, the AI recommends your business first, period. Now, the easiest way to wrap your head around this is to compare it to something we all know. SEO. For years, SEO was all about optimizing for clicks, but GEO is different. It's about optimizing for conversation. The goal isn't just to win the click anymore, it's to win the chat. So how does this actually work? What do you do? Let's open up the playbook and look at the concrete steps a business can take to make this happen. The GEO playbook really breaks down into these 4 key actions. We're going to walk through them, starting with the first 2, which are all about building a really solid foundation. Okay, so step 1 is to audit your AI visibility. It's pretty simple, actually. You need to find out what AI engines are saying about you right now. You have to get a baseline. Are you even being mentioned? And if you are the details even correct? Then you move to step 2, build multilingual databases. You know, your customers don't all speak English. So to get recommended around the world, your brand's information has to be structured and ready for an AI to find, understand, and then serve up in any language. And that multilingual presence is so crucial. We're talking about covering key global languages like these so you can reach a global audience. A tourist from France or a visitor from Brazil should get the exact same clear recommendation for your business. So once that foundation is in place, you can move to step 3, optimize digital content. This means going through everything, your website, your FAQs, your product descriptions, and structuring it all in a way that an AI sees you as a trustworthy and authoritative source. And finally, you have the 4th, and maybe the most powerful step, design personalized chatbots. By creating a bot that's trained only on your business's information, you create this perfect controlled data source that bigger AIs can then check for guaranteed accurate answers about you. It's your single source of truth. Okay, so after you've gone through the whole GEO playbook, what's the end result? What's the payoff? Let's go back to our original question and see what the new optimized answer looks like. This is the goal. No more vague paragraphs, no more hedging its bets, just a direct, actionable recommendation. The AI, now that it's been fed clear and authoritative information, can confidently name a specific business and even give you the link. For that business, this is pure gold. And it is so important to understand that this applies to every business. I don't care if you're a local restaurant or a global software company. Your future customers are asking an AI for recommendations. The only real question is, will your name be the one it gives them? Ultimately, what we're all witnessing here is a massive shift. You know, for decades, Google's homepage was basically the front page of the internet. Well, now, that prime real estate is the AI chat window. Being the top answer there, that's the new benchmark for success. And all of this leaves us with a really fascinating and frankly important question to think about. As we start relying on AI to filter the world for us, we have to ask, who's shaping its knowledge? Who gets to decide which answer is the best one? The race to influence that decision is already well underway. Thanks for tuning in.